Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm showing you guys how to decorate for a Cinderella birthday party. This could be for all ages, all genders, anything, and it's really cute and easy, but I needed some help from some of Cinderella's friends. So first, put on your research glasses, and you're gonna pull out your fake Apple laptop, and you're gonna do some digging. Just kidding. But you're gonna Google any character from Cinderella that you want. I'm gonna do the birdies that help Cinderella wake up in the morning and that help her make her dress for the ball. Okay, so now you're gonna cut out whatever characters or whatever pictures you want, and yeah, they don't have to be perfect. And okay, so for my backdrop, I covered the windows with these cheap tablecloths from the dollar store and these drape thingies, what are they called, streamers from the dollar store. And you're just gonna arrange them however you want. I kind of just made it up as I go, and right now it's kind of plain, but at the end it looks awesome, and it reminds me of the scene where they're helping make her dress and put it together. And that's why it's so amazing that Cinderella was so kind and sweet, because her friends would do anything for her because she protected them and they were helping her even though she had all those chores, and they really wanted her to have a day off. Okay, so right about here, I realized that I wanted to make a bow in the middle because it reminds me of her pink dress that her stepsisters tear up. And yeah, it reminds me of the bow on there when they were making the bow. So yeah, this is kind of like an homage to that. Okay, right about here I mess up really bad. But it's okay, everyone makes mistakes. Yeah, and right here looks like garbage, and then boom! The tablecloth. Fix everything. And I trimmed the bow, and I put all my little Cinderella things. And then here are plates and cups that I've had forever. So these are options. You could find plates and cups like this at the dollar store, Partycity, anywhere like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video inspired you or gave you ideas for any theme, not just Cinderella. And stay magical.